In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to reverse changes on a board using the built-in activity log, so you can fix mistakes quickly and confidently. First, go ahead and log into your monday.com account the way you normally do. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand panel. This is where all your boards are listed. Choose any board you want to work with and click to open it. You can use a test board if you'd rather not risk changing something important while you practice. With your board open, let's create a small change that we can undo. For example, click into any text cell in one of your items and type something new, or edit existing text. You could change a status, update a date, or rename an item. The exact change doesn't matter, as long as it's something you can easily recognize later in the activity log. This gives us a clear example to work with as we go through the undo process. Now, look toward the top right corner of your board. You should see a More Options icon. Depending on your view, this might look like 3 dots. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select Activity Log. As soon as you click it, a drawer will slide open on the right side of your screen. This activity log is a timeline of everything that has happened on this board. You'll see a list of actions, organized by time, showing who did what and when. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific change you just made, or any other change you want to undo. Each entry will usually describe the action, such as text that was updated, an item that was moved, or a status that was changed. Once you've found the change you want to reverse, look along that same row for an undo button. It should be on the right side of that entry. Click the undo button, and monday.com will immediately revert that specific change back to its previous state. You can check your board to confirm that the item has been restored. That's all there is to it. Anytime you make a mistake or change something by accident, just open the activity log, find the action, and click undo. This simple habit can save you time, prevent data loss, and make working in monday.com feel much safer and more flexible.